Hey guys, we're live at 9:19, just turned to 9:20. Battling for Kenneth's Lego Star Wars. Vehicle there. I got 10 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste him in there, 1 through 10. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. We got a 6. We're good to go. Good luck. Dennis, round 1. Scott 2. Dennis 3. Dennis 4 and 5. And our winner is Scott, in at number 9. Congratulations, Scott. Here's the verification code. YVUJRA. Scott Perp, in at number 9, is the champ of Kenneth's Lego battle. Meaning I am done at 9:20. Well, there it is. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations to the winner. See you guys. Thanks.